Babaji, what's your role in Celestial Labs?
Basically to set up the long-term strategy for the company and to develop world-class infrastructure for the company. With my background of having lived and worked abroad, I'll be able to help the company to develop very high-class infrastructure both for its future offices and the factory.
What is the development of infrastructure?
At the moment, we have got land from the government, both for our office and for the factory. 6 acres for the factory, and we have a 1,000 square meter plot in Nacharam for building the offices of the company. And we are working with, at the moment, with the architects as how best to utilize the land in our hand to produce very good quality infrastructure both for the office as well as for the factory.
Anything else you would like to say about the company?
At the moment, just basically this. We just got the IPO money and we have term and working capital loan. So now we can proceed ahead and set up the office and the factory in the near future. The factory should be operational in a little over a year, and the same thing goes for the office building. A little over a year. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Shastriji, what are your individual strengths?
My individual strengths are trying to look at a problem in a very individual and committed way, sincere way, going to the depth of the problem and trying to see what the basic problem actually is, and then if only I can understand the basic problem, only then I will be able to pinpoint what are the probable solutions to that problem and how we go about tackling that problem. So these are some things that I have during the last more than 30 years of my research, both in academic as well as in industrial situation, how I have tackled different situations. So this I consider my individual strength. And as far as your second question on the why I should be associated with Celestial is open to lots of progressive ideas with respect to, because every idea now that I have, whatever I have learned, has got to be converted into in a commercial way, because quite a lot of things that I have done, both they meant to be academic at one point of time, but they have a lot of industrial and commercial implications as well as applications, because the money earning potential is not just based on the final product alone, but also based on the simplicity and economy of the approach in tackling that problem. Those are also equally important. To put it in very simple manner, if somebody is spending about 100 rupees to solve a particular problem and come out with a successful product, I would like to spend only, let's say, 40 or 30 or 50 rupees only to come out with a product of the similar quality and a larger quantity because of my economy, and therefore per unit time my productivity increases.
Anything else you would like to say?
There are a lot of things. If you want me to say more things, I would like to add up by giving you some examples.
In brief, what as to an investor you can say about that?
जब मैंने करीब 35 साल या 35-40 साल के बीच में अपना रिसर्च स्टार्ट किया था, तो मेरे पास एक चैलेंज दिया गया था जिसको कि दूसरे लोगों ने टैकल करना असंभव, इम्पॉसिबल समझा था. And that was basically using certain species of groundnut, जिसमें कि 3 major disease problems are there, and India is the major groundnut producing country in the world, but unfortunately it also has the least productivity because of high incidence of 3 major diseases. So there are available species of groundnut, wild species of groundnut collected from South America, but they cannot be simply crossed by normal breeding techniques. So there I looked at the problem and then tried to approach the problem, and very soon I got the symptoms of success, which I rather later on I polished very soon, and within 2 years I tasted fruits of success, and I had some material which contained the qualities of groundnut with the disease resistance to all the major 3 diseases. So that was my first success story. In fact, that gave me lots of rewards and recognitions internationally as well as nationally, and that put me on a very firm footing, because that was my foundation, let me say, and that carried me further to further heights, very faster progression to lots of higher responsibilities from pure and simple academic situation to industrial situation. About 15, 16 years back, straight away I was appointed as director of a leading biotech company in India, and before that I was also invited to Australia to carry out some work on genetic engineering, cloning and other kinds of things. And subsequently I have been associated with Celestial because I think to some extent I have been influential in influencing Celestial and my friend Mr. Singh to take up, diversify some of his activities from IT to BT. BT is biotechnology, and we started thinking of BT at a time when the boom was still to come in India. BT boom was already there but in a different situation, but from human health point of view, about which BT was not contributing anything, probably still is not contributing to the extent that we are investing, everyone is investing. So we thought that that's definitely a very good idea in terms of increasing the company's image, as well as trying to come out with products that are of high value in terms of both human health as well as money earning potential at economic cost to the consumer. So that was the motive, and I have been associated with Celestial for more than 8-9 years now, and I think the company is happy having me to contribute in the sense that they want, and I am also trying to see how best I can contribute as an individual, as a part of the company as well.
Thank you.